back to the channel. Today we're just going to catch up on what we did last week, which was mainly out testing in the Minis, in the JCWs. Left on Monday here to travel up to Donington Park. We did a test day on Tuesday at Donington, Wednesday was Croft, and Thursday we then went across to Alton Park, did a test there and then headed home. So pretty busy week. You can see there's a gearbox scattered out in front. We might give a clue as to how it went for one of the cars. But no, as a summary, it went really well. We've learned a hell of a lot about the suspension on these cars in those three test days last week. Really pushed forward with the setup of the car, which was mega, which meant basically both of us were bang on the pace pretty quickly after first session at Donington, which was really good because myself anyway, I've not been in a race car for a few months, as I'm sure a lot of people haven't. So yeah, Donny, again, it went really well. We had a wet first session, which was nice to give us a bit of give us a chance to do a bit of a wet setup on the cars in the morning. Nothing fell off the cars, which is always nice. And towards sort of midday into the afternoon, it dried up a bit, which was great. Probably won't upload an onboard of Donny, but we had annoyingly we had a wet patch running right down the middle of Craners, which was entertaining. That was Donny. It was really good. Towards the end of the day, we did a new tyre run, and we were right up there on the pace from previous years. It was great. Went to Croft next day. Awesome circuit. Huge challenge out the back through the Jim Clark Esses. Yeah, super brave. I will upload a video of that because it's flat through Jim Clark Esses, and then you've got the next right-hander, which is Barcroft, which I had. Doesn't look like a huge moment on the video, but I want to get out of the car at that point and have a little cry. But anyway, halfway through the day there, Steve's car started having some noise through fourth gear in the gearbox. Kind of thought the worst, but carried on as we were halfway towards Scotland at that point. Fortunately, on the next day, Alton Park, he only did about 2 laps and it let go. Gearbox out of the car, and straight away we thought we'd found the problem. The hub in the middle of the clutch here, all the rivets are snapped, fell off. Thought, okay, great. All the rivets must have had a bit of play in them, and it's broken the rivets off, and away we go. So we fired a new clutch in, put the box back in, started up, and the gearbox did not sound good. So Nick will get some close-ups of these bits, so you won't be able to see a lot, but unfortunately we lost quite a lot of material off 2 of the teeth on fourth gear. All the rest of the gears look okay, a bit of pitting here and there, but we think the gearbox is actually locked and then broken the hub off the clutch. So some investigation needed there, but we've not ever had this gearbox apart yet. This car was bought before Christmas, we've not had it apart, so understandable that we're going to find issues like this. Other than that, the cars ran really well. Lucky that this happened on the last day, really, because we were able to share my car for the rest of the day, which was great. Again, Alton Park, super fun track. Love the dip down the hill, Cascades, that's absolutely mega. Yeah, I think we'll have to have the gearbox out of my car because the differential's a little bit loose on preload now, just because that's not been apart for probably 2 years, my gearbox. So. Okay, so that's it. There'll be some close-ups of the damage that we've done basically last week. I knocked a couple of bumpers off, but we won't worry about that. And then we'll give you a little onboard video from Croft, which was pretty scary for me to be fair. But yeah, no, good lap, and the cars were really happy. So next out again on the 8th of April at Snetterton. So yeah, hopefully straight back on the pace there, which will be nice. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow us on social media and subscribe to us on YouTube. Cheers, bye.